Superprof Review, honest user experience of the leading tutoring platform. If you've ever wanted to teach online or find a private tutor for any subject, you've probably come across Superprof. It's one of the largest tutoring platforms in the world, but is it actually worth it? I tried it myself, and here's my honest review. Superprof connects students and tutors in over 40 countries and supports lessons in everything from math and languages to guitar and yoga. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just for academic subjects. But Superprof covers hobbies, test prep, and even fitness coaching. Signing up as a tutor was quick. I created a profile, added my teaching experience, and set my hourly rate. The platform lets you choose online or in-person lessons, which gives you flexibility. The interesting part, Superprof doesn't charge tutors commission per lesson. Instead, students pay a one-time activation fee to contact tutors, which means you keep 100% of your earnings. As a student, the search function is excellent. You can filter tutors by price, rating and distance, and most tutors offer a free first lesson. The only catch is that Superprof doesn't handle payments directly. You pay tutors privately after connecting, which means you need to communicate clearly about payment methods. Overall, my experience was smooth, transparent, and rewarding. I booked a Spanish tutor through the platform, and the lessons were top-notch. Superprof is perfect for anyone who wants to learn or teach practically anything, from calculus to cooking. If you value flexibility, fair pricing and direct communication, this platform is absolutely worth using.